Okay, today you can see these headlights have gotten, it's a 2000 Chrysler Cirrus. You can see the headlights have really gotten colored over the years. So we're going to try to restore them. First, I'm just going to kind of clean them off with some water. I actually put a little vinegar in there. It's a little vinegar and water just to kind of get them clean. Get the dirt off. Okay, should be pretty good. Now we're going to try. I've done this with other cars in the past, and it's worked pretty well. I have not tried it on this one yet, but I'm going to use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Just put it on there, and just work it on good, like you're brushing your teeth, only you're brushing the headlights. Some more on there. There are other things you can do to clean them, but this is probably one of the easiest and cheapest. And on this, in the past, it's always worked for me. Done a pretty good job. In fact, one year we tried this along with one of those expensive headlight cleaning kits. Did one headlight with this and the other with the headlight cleaning kit, and we really couldn't tell the difference. So back to the toothpaste. I mean, most of us have old toothbrushes around that we don't use anymore. I wouldn't recommend buying a new one for this, but you usually find an old one. I certainly wouldn't recommend using your toothbrush again in your mouth after doing this, but this was a cheap one. This one was like 6 for $1 toothbrushes. Flexible.
It was 8 for $1.
Was it 8 for $1?
I think now they're only 6 for $1. They were 8.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell. It's pretty flexible. Okay, pretty good. A little more on there. These lights are pretty bad. They probably need a lot. Any toothpaste really works, but I kind of prefer to use the baking soda. I always feel like somehow it's going to work better. It's got baking soda in it. Okay. Scrub it good. Ooh, got a car there. I would like to brush my teeth good, so yeah, brush the headlights good. Alright. Alright, I'm going to let that set just a little bit. After it dries, I'm going to spray it again with some warm water and just wipe it all off with a clean cloth. And the headlights will look better. So we'll check back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You want to wait about 5 minutes, so it kind of dries on, but you don't want to wait too long because then it gets really hard to wipe off. So after you wait about 5 minutes, just spray it with some warm water. Get a nice clean cloth. Just wipe it off. And,
It looks so pretty.
looks 1,000% better, doesn't it?
This one looked worse than the other headlight, and now it looks a lot better than the other headlight.
Yeah, I wanted to pick the worst looking one. We'll do the other one later. Let's see. Get that good. Yeah, it still has a little bit. I think I might work on a little more, but you get the idea. This really does help a lot. And like I said, it works as good as those kits. Just a little bit. So you can spend $20 on an expensive kit, or just get an old toothbrush and some toothpaste, and it does about as good a job.
That's maybe better.
Yeah, maybe better. Well, we thought so. When we did them both, we really kind of like
When we did it on our Jeep and the Concorde, it seemed like it was better, but
yeah. Well, this one is awfully bad, so it's doing pretty good. This should work a lot better. I'm going to put the lights on the car. Let's see. Oh yeah, because this was worse than that one to start with, and now you can see it's much better. So very simple, easy thing anybody can do. And it's very cheap. Thank you for watching our video today. We have more car videos. Please check them out. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and check the other videos we have. See you again later.